Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to paint the jewelry that we made in the previous video. So I actually uploaded a video 4 days back, but I know most of you haven't seen it. If you have, it's well and good, you can continue with this, or if you want to know how this shape came out, you can go back and check the previous video out. I'll leave the link in the description. So we are going to paint two bamboo sticks that are still fresh and green nicely with full of leaves and all. Brown background to bring out the bamboo sticks. We'll paint the whole area which is left out after painting the two bamboo sticks, the sides, the back and the top, everything with brown. And now for the leaves, we'll go with a point brush. Try to find out a very thin brush that you have and you will be able to get a fine look. Now I'm trying to fill the place that is in between the bamboo stick and the brown background. It's a little bit like downward, so I'm putting the brush inside and doing it. And for the people who are seeing it to recognize it as a bamboo stick, will go with some horizontal brown lines and also some leaves with leaves of green color. We all know the shape of the bamboo leaves is very thin and they are a bit longer, so we'll do that on both the sides of each bamboo stick with a very fine point brush. So that's how they turned out, guys. I hope you have liked it. If you have really liked it, give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting and keep innovating. Thank you so much for watching.